5 seconds. Start. Mr. Speaker, at the outset, I wish to thank the honorable members who have participated in the debate on the grants relating to the Energy Ministry. There has been more or less an unanimous feeling that the departments under the Energy Ministry have by and large done a good job. Of course, one can never be satisfied and should never be complacent in regard to energy. Of the sources of energy, in the first place, I want to take up coal, which is one of the major resources. We have large reserves of coal in this country. We have been trying to use these reserves in the past many years. It is interesting to note that in spite of our best efforts, we have not been able to increase the production of coal to the extent we desired. There are several reasons for this. These reasons have to be properly analyzed and understood. I do realize that we have yet to go a long way to reach a satisfactory position. We have to prepare ourselves to meet the realities of the situation with reference to the position now obtaining in the world. But on that account, it is meaningless to underestimate our achievements. I only wish the honorable members to realize the fact that we had to undergo many trials and tribulations even to reach the present level of achievements. Nevertheless, I take the criticisms of the members and their suggestions as inducements to achieve far greater results for the good of the people. We have to take a comprehensive view of the whole matter. As we all know, coal is a very important resource. The major problem is how to improve the productivity of coal. The responsibility of improving its productivity mainly rests on both the management and the workers. As a result of our continued best efforts, our relations with our workers have improved, and today the man days lost have come down to the lowest minimum. In the last 2 years, if we exclude the political strikes, there was hardly any strike due to any difference between the management and workers. The coal sector, and for that matter, all our major public undertakings, must hereafter become self-reliant, self-sufficient, and be self-generating resources. Only then we will be able to spend more and more on welfare schemes to help the workers in these undertakings. I would like to submit that today, if the scientists and technologists in whom I have great confidence succeed in the utilization of solar energy, we will be able to solve the energy crisis of this country to an appreciable extent. We have already done this in remote areas like Rajasthan, where we have at present successfully established a big plant. So far as the energy sector is concerned, our workers, officers and managers at all levels have been able to do a really magnificent job, and they deserve our praise. With these observations, I conclude my speech. Thanking you. Letter dated 10th June 1991 from Satya Industries Limited, Madras, to the manager, Lakshmi Enterprises, Avadi, Madras. Dear sir, we have great pleasure in bringing to your notice that we have recently opened a modern stationery section in our firm. We have stocked the latest items of stationery required in business firms, commerce institutes, office, etc. We enclose herewith an illustrative and informative catalog which contains full information about the articles we have, together with the prices of the various items. As you will find, all these are items required and used by office every day. They are the best quality available. We have special carbons and ribbons which will last for a longer time than the usual one sold in the market. They also give very good impression of the matter typed. We have on stock chairs and tables made of superior quality, timber and steel, which will be very useful for any office. Their prices are very competitive. We have also many other articles of utility. After going through the catalog, if you require any clarification, we shall be pleased to send our reply by return of post. Thanking you for your favorable response. Yours faithfully.
யுவர் ஹார்ட் சேஸ் கோ ஃபார் இட், கோ ஃபார் இட். நம்ம பண்றது நம்ம கையில தான் இருக்கு. யாரும் வந்து தடுக்க போறதில்ல. நம்ம இடம் இங்கே தான் இருக்கு. நம்ம தான் தேடி பிடிச்சி வரணும்.